Zoom Rooms, Out-of-Session Controls. In this lesson, we will cover the following out-of-session controls: Meet Now, Join, Presentation, Phone, and Settings. Select from the left side options to learn more about that feature or setting. Even without calendar integration, you can use your Zoom Room to launch an instant meeting. Tap Meet Now, and you will see a list of your Zoom contacts, any H323 or SIP systems you've added to your device list, and other Zoom rooms in your environment. Select the names or rooms you wish to invite and tap on Meet Now. The system will then call out to those individuals to invite them to your meeting, and they can either accept or decline. You can use the search bar to look for a specific person or room, or tap on the appropriate letter of the alphabet on the list here to jump to that section of contacts. From your Zoom Room, you can always join an existing meeting or webinar. Just tap on Join, enter the meeting or webinar ID, and tap Join. It's that simple. Note that if you join a webinar from your Zoom Room, you will only have access to the volume controls, settings, and leave options as the Zoom Room enters the webinar as a listen and view only attendee. You can use your Zoom Room as a wireless presentation system. This means you don't have to have an online Zoom meeting in order to use the room and its displays to share content. Tap Presentation and select if you want to share via laptop or iPad, iPhone, or Mac device. When you select your option, the Zoom Room will start up presentation mode. You will now see the same options as you did when you selected Share Content from the tablet controller while in a Zoom meeting. You can share via the Zoom desktop application, via browser, or via AirPlay if you're sharing an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. If you have the premium audio package, you can also use your Zoom Room to place a phone call. Tap on Phone and enter the number you wish to dial. If calling a U.S. number from within the U.S., just enter the 10-digit phone number. You can select which country you're calling from the country drop-down here. Once you've selected the appropriate country, just enter the number you wish to call. No need to enter the 011. Then simply tap the Call button to place your call. The settings page will display the room name, the selected devices, and additional information on the right side. If you wish to change the selected devices, you will need to unlock the settings first. To do so, you need to know the app lock code for that specific Zoom room. Tap Unlock Settings and enter the app lock code. You can now change the devices selected. For microphone, you can change the active microphone as well as enable or disable some additional settings for software audio processing and reduce excessive sound reverb. You may want to disable these settings, for example, if the microphone you're using has those types of features built in. For speakers, you can set the volume as well as test your speakers. From the right-hand side, you can switch the tablet to become the scheduling display here. And you can sign out of the controller application, but this will require entering the app lock code before you can sign out.